Yo, what up? About to start another video. This little upgrade I just did is just a double din. So basically, I took the radio that was out my truck, or my old one, out my truck, and I put it in, got my truck a new one. Yeah, so I basically got a double din in here now. This is the old one, old Pioneer, still for sale. It's just Bluetooth. This was so small, so it doesn't have no CDs, but it got USB, aux. Like I said, it's Bluetooth. It's face off also, so the face does come off. Other than that, I like the radio. Everything's all good. Matching everything. But yeah, it's just a little update what I did. Oh yeah, also got a reverse camera too that I installed. So I got the reverse camera up there. Yep, right there. Got that in there. I did notice I blew these again. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take them and put them on just one channel. I'm not gonna bridge the channel. I'm just gonna put them on one, or just half a channel and tune it real low. But I blew these again. I ordered new ones, so I have to replace those again. And this 8-inch is blown also. So yeah, I figured it out yesterday, and I ordered those parts yesterday. Yeah, hopefully, back up and running. Or the speakers be back up and running. Other than that, everything else is all good. Target top right here. Carbon hood. Oh yeah, I did put turbo blanket on, but I'm gonna wrap the downpipe in that blue. Probably the headers also, if I can reach, but I highly doubt that. But yeah, I put a new blanket on. Turbo blanket, so it's keeps it kind of cool underneath here. Other than that, it was just a brief update. Probably post another video up when I go to this Halloween thing. Probably get my skeleton back in here, but right now I just got this mask. But yeah, I'm gonna get the skeleton in here, have him on the other side. I had a lot of people like, oh, the skeleton was driving, and all that stuff. Other than that, peace out. I'll be back with another video soon.